Hello everyone, my name is Shomraj and you are watching Coding Pillow, and in this video we are going to improve our post create component, and also we are going to create few actions. So let's get started to it. So I am in my project folder and I am going to start my project. So now we are going to add some actions. So first I am going to enter some action types. I am going to do it in the background to save some time. So I have created our action types and now I'm going to create our actions. So for that I am in my post action file. So for that I am going to take the help of this function, then copy, and then it will be create post, and I will require the author and the content only, and then dispatch, and here I am going to dispatch request, and then in the URL add, and then I'm going to remove the ID, and then I'm going to send my post author and content, and then in the response I'm going to send create post success, and here I'm going to send create post failure, and here I'm going to change the message. So I have created my action creator and now I'm going to go to the reducer. So now in the reducer, and first of all I'm going to set the loading to true. Sorry guys, request, and then in here case of create request success, then I'm going to return my state, and I am going to set the loading to false, and for the failure part, failure, it will set the loading to false and it will also have the error. So that's it. Now we are going to change our component, that is post create. So for the post create component I am going to copy the post update, in the post create, and here first of all I am going to change the name post create. So after that, and now first of all I will remove the use effect, and I will also remove the import, and then I am also going to remove the update post and the cancel update from this part, and here I am also not going to require post, and okay, and I am also not going to require these actions. So here I am going to require create post, and then dispatch create post from here, and I will not require the post, and I will also not require the method. So and these two methods also. And now let's also change this, create post form. So I have made this change, and also I'm going to mention a new thing. I'm going to remove the button, and also change this to create, and on create. This will be our new method. And now, so now I'm going to create the on create, and it will be similar like this. Author, I will get the author and content, sorry, and this author and content is the state, use state. And then after that I'm going to call my action with the help of author and content. And here also I'm going to use set error message to blank empty string, and in the else part I'm going to use the same method to say please fill all the fields to create a post. So I think guys we are done here, and I am seeing a error. So post is not defined in the line 69, and this is so in the update form we are using the post to redirect. Here also we can use something like this. So for that I'm going to create a new state variable. So it will be is success, and at first it will be false, it will be not false. And then if we have our author and content, then I will just set is success to true, and in the else part, sorry, I am going to set is success to false. And here I am going to use is success, and if I am successful then I am going to redirect it. So here, and then otherwise I'm going to show my form, that is create post form. And let's check if we have any error. So I think guys we don't have any error. Now we must check our UI, but before that I am going to mention one thing, create post. I am recurring the create post from here, so I have to mention it in the props, create post. So here it is, and let's check our UI. So we are in the UI, and let's create our post. Coding and below. So guys, I am seeing a error. Let's check our redux. Yeah guys, I am seeing a error. Let's go to our project. So guys, we are inside our project, and now I see what is wrong here. I'm not sending the author and the content from here, so I have to mention author and then content, and then here also. So I hope now it works. And let's reload our server to the first page, home page, and then after that create, and then coding below. I am trying to create a post here. So we are still receiving the error. So guys, I have made an error. You guys probably have seen it earlier. Here I have mentioned content connect, sorry. So now I hope it is working. Let's go to our UI. So again we are going to go to the create, and then this is the new post. So guys, as you can see, we have successfully fired our create post request and create post success actions, and then we have also fetched again, and if we see that we now have our new post. So as you can see guys, our create post is also working. I am going to create another post. uh, Black Adam. So as you can see, it is also getting created, and then now also I can delete it. So my first previous post was deleted, and now again I am going to delete this one, and also I can delete the flash one, and we can also edit this Superman and Superwoman, Supergirl, and update. So this is also working, and we are also seeing all of our post actions. So guys, this is it for this mern-stack tutorial series from Coding Pillow. And if you have liked my content and learned new things from this series, then please subscribe to my channel. And in this series we have learned a lot of things, and we have learned about Redux, action types, action creators, and Redux Deck Tools extension. We have created functional components like this and the create one. And with this mern-stack application in mind, you can also create a lot of different projects. For example, a to-do list app, expense tracker, exercise tracker, notes app, etc. And during this project, if you are stuck at any place, you can refer to my repository, and I will give the link in the description of this video. So thanks again guys for staying with me. Bye, and I will see you in the next one.